In this lesson, we will teach you how to make nettle fertilizer. Nettle is known for both its medicinal and garden uses. The fermented extract of nettle is used as compost activator, pesticide, and fertilizer. Rich in nitrogen and minerals, it stimulates plant growth and the overall health of the garden. To make the fertilizer, you will need pruning shears, 2 buckets, a means of irrigation, a stick, and a cover. Step 1. Collect 1 kilogram of nettle, preferably young since that is when they contain the most nutrients and minerals. Make sure to wear gloves to avoid being stung by the nettles. Be careful not to cut other plants that might alter the decomposition process. Step 2. Clean the container using a brush. Do not use a metal container. Now we can begin to prepare the fertilizer. Mix 1 kilogram of nettles with 10 liters of water. It's best to use rainwater, but tap water works too. Cover the container with a lid or cloth. Step 3. Store the container in a shaded area at a stable temperature, between 18 and 25 degrees Celsius. Step 4. Stir the mixture every other day. After a few days, you'll notice bubbles appearing and an unpleasant smell. These are signs indicating that the fermentation is underway. After about 2 weeks, the water should be completely covered with white bubbles. During the next few days, the fermentation process will peak and the bubbles will disappear. It's time to filter. To filter the solution, you will need a bucket, a hand fork, a colander, and a cloth. Use the hand fork to remove the stems. Cover the colander with cloth and then strain the solution. Step 6. Store the liquid fermentation in closed containers. Under the right conditions, it can be stored for several months. Step 7. Place the residual waste in the compost. Now that you have your fermentation, let's learn how to use it. The nettle fermentation is a powerful product, so it'll need to be diluted before use. When diluted to 5%, it will strengthen plant leaves, making them more resistant to disease and insects. When diluted to 10 or 20%, it makes a nitrogen and iron-rich fertilizer which stimulates microorganisms in the soil. Nettle fertilizer is known to promote healthy growth in young plants. It can also be used for watering compost piles where it stimulates the decomposition process and adds valuable nutrients and minerals.